special weather statement is a future hurricane advisory for Tropical Storm Melissa from Weather Rampage WX and the National Hurricane Center in Miami, Florida, October 24, 2025. Warning: Hurricane Melissa Advisory. Major storm threatens Caribbean. Tropical Storm Melissa is expected to rapidly intensify into a potentially major catastrophic hurricane with winds up to 150 miles per hour and come near or hit the island of Jamaica, then Cuba, as it will also continue to affect the country of Haiti. This rapid intensification should happen over the weekend into Monday. This will be a particularly dangerous hurricane, so stay updated for more information as this happens. Hurricane warning. Tropical Storm Melissa 11:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time update. NOAA and Air Force Reserve hurricane hunters report Melissa is now drifting northwestward. Life-threatening and catastrophic flash flooding and landslides expected in portions of southern Hispaniola and Jamaica through the weekend. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica has issued a hurricane warning for Jamaica. Summary of watches and warnings in effect. A hurricane warning is in effect for Jamaica. A hurricane watch is in effect for southwestern peninsula of Haiti from the border with the Dominican Republic to Port-au-Prince. A tropical storm warning in effect for southwestern peninsula of Haiti from the border with the Dominican Republic to Port-au-Prince. A hurricane warning means that hurricane conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area. Preparations to protect life and property should be rushed to completion. A hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible within the watch area. A tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area within 36 hours. Interests elsewhere in Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and eastern Cuba, the Bahamas, and the Turks and Caicos Islands should monitor the progress of Melissa. Watches could be required for portions of eastern Cuba on Saturday. For storm information specific to your area, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. Discussion and outlook. At 11:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 3 o'clock Universal Coordinated Time, the center of Tropical Storm Melissa was located near latitude position 16.1 north, longitude position 74.9 west. Melissa is moving toward the northwest near 3 miles per hour, 6 kilometers per hour. A turn to the west is forecast on Saturday, and this general motion is expected to continue through Monday. A turn to the north and northeast is forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday. On the forecast track, the center of Melissa is expected to move near or over Jamaica during the weekend and early next week, and it could be near or over eastern Cuba by the middle of next week. Reports from NOAA and Air Force Reserve hurricane hunter aircraft indicate that maximum sustained winds are near 65 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Rapid intensification is expected to begin later tonight or on Saturday, and Melissa is forecast to become a hurricane tomorrow and a major hurricane by Sunday. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 140 miles, 220 kilometers, from the center. The minimum central pressure estimated from the Hurricane Hunter aircraft data is 993 millibars, 29.33 inches. Hazards affecting land. Wind. Hurricane conditions are expected in Jamaica beginning Sunday, with tropical storm conditions beginning late Saturday. Hurricane conditions are possible in the watch area in Haiti later this weekend, with tropical storm conditions expected to begin tonight or Saturday. Rainfall. Melissa is expected to bring total rainfall of 15 to 25 inches to portions of southern Hispaniola and Jamaica through Tuesday, with local maxima of 35 inches possible across the Tiburon Peninsula of Haiti. Catastrophic flash flooding and landslides are anticipated in southern Haiti, with potential catastrophic flash flooding and landslides across portions of Jamaica and the southern Dominican Republic. Eastern Cuba could see total rainfall of 4 to 8 inches, with local amounts to 12 inches. Storm surge. Minor coastal flooding is likely along the coast of Jamaica by Saturday. However, there is a risk of a more life-threatening storm surge, especially along the south coast of Jamaica, later in the weekend or early next week. Peak storm surge heights could reach 5 to 10 feet above ground level. Surf. Swells generated by Melissa are expected to affect portions of Hispaniola, Jamaica, and eastern Cuba during the next several days. Next advisory. Next intermediate advisory at 2:00 m. Eastern Daylight Time. Next complete advisory at 5:00 m. Eastern Daylight Time.